Welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you are new, I do all kinds of videos on fashion, hauls, try-on videos, reviews, vlogs, beauty tutorials, all kinds of fun things. So if you're into all things lifestyle, beauty, fashion, vlogs, all that kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Got a little friend here. Don't know if you can see him. He's buried himself pretty well in my little shag throw that I've got here. So anyway, you guys, today's an exciting video. This video is all about the Peach Box, and oh my gosh, they are such a cool company. I just found them maybe about a month or so ago, maybe a couple months, and I actually reached out to them and said, hey, I'm loving your stuff. If you guys send me some jewelry, I would love to try it out and see if I really like it and then maybe do a review. And they did that and they've sent it to me and I've loved it. I've loved wearing it. It's such cute stuff and at an affordable price. So I think you guys will be really excited. They are offering my subscribers a coupon code, which I will leave right here. But on Black Friday, they're doing a huge sale. I think it's like 30+% off. So take advantage of that, and then later you can use the coupon code. So that's my advice to you. You get your best bang for your buck on Black Friday. So definitely check them out. I will put the link down below so you guys can easily go check them out. They are not paying me for this video, but they did send me the items for free. So just so you know, it's not necessarily a sponsored video. This is actually something I really liked and I reached out to them. I get hundreds of emails of companies asking me to do videos, and I turn down probably 99% of them because they sound a little cheesy or just stuff that I'm not interested in. And so this one I really was interested in, looking at the jewelry and actually having it in my hands, and so that's why I reached out to them. The Peach Box, I believe, is out of Australia, so shipping takes a little bit longer, but I can't really tell you exactly how long because I have a P.O. box, and I only visit that P.O. box maybe once every 3-4 weeks. So I think it took a little over a week for me to get the items, but I can't say that for sure. They came in these cute little black boxes. It's got this little kind of like a slide here, and it came like this. So, and then there's just the little box right here. So super cute. I think this would be such a cute gift for Christmas, you guys. So cute. Their stuff, if you go online, it looks kind of like a mix between like Tiffany's, Cartier, a little bit like the Miranda Fry jewelry, you know, that kind of stuff. I think it's just so cute. Lots of innovative stuff. I think that looks super, super cute. So I am wearing the little infinity necklace right here, and I will be showing it up close and personal here too, right here next to me. So but if you guys have questions or anything, make sure you leave me a comment below. I'll try to get to all of them as soon as I can. This is the Eternity, I call it Infinity, but it's Eternity charm necklace in silver, and the price on this is about 32 bucks. So if you want this, like even for Friday, Black Friday, 30% off, that's an awesome price, and it's really, really good quality. Now granted, I've only had this for a couple weeks, so I can't say that it's gonna last a lifetime. I don't know, but it feels really good weight and everything, good quality. It doesn't feel chintzy or cheap, so I think you'd be very proud giving this as a gift. I think it's super, super pretty. So there's that. So it also comes with a cute little jewelry, like a pouch. The quality, you guys, is really, really good for the price. I'm loving this stuff. So I got this bracelet, and this one is the ScrewBar bangles in silver, and this one is $60. Pretty substantial. I think it just reminds me of a Cartier. So it's got the little screw that goes here, which is really hard for me to show you guys because it's so tiny, but it's right there, and so that goes in there. This one's a little more complicated. I think you might need somebody else to help you. So, and then you got this little thing here which helps screw it on. So it's a little more of a process, but such a cool bracelet. It's just very much like the concept of Cartier. I think it's just gorgeous. So very cool. I'm loving this. So, but I did need my husband to help me put that one on. There's that one. And then the last item, because I got 3 items, and it's these really cute earrings, which you can't see. Right there. You guys, these are so cute. I wanted some pearl earrings that were more modern, and these hit the mark. You'll be able to see with me wearing them. So basically what you do is you're putting it in this in there. So you've already got it behind your ear and you're putting it in there. So it almost just looks like a faux like drop. It's just so cool. You know, because like pearl earrings can look kind of grandma-ish. But these are just so cute. And these are called the Audrey Pearl Swing Earrings. And those are $48. So I think a really good price. Again, they feel like a nice item, not chintzy, not cheap. So I'm really, really liking those. I'm going to have to definitely give this company a big old thumbs up. I'm loving the stuff that they sent me. I was able to pick it out from like a limited list of stuff that I think that they send people who do reviews for them and stuff. So they didn't give me access to their full website because I probably would have gone ham. But I am definitely going to jump online on Friday and order some stuff from them because they have the cutest stuff, you guys. Just go check them out. Again, I don't get a commission. This is not sponsored. They just sent me the items to review and I was really, really thrilled. So I think all 3 items totaled $140. So I think the price is right, but let me know what you guys think. If you guys have ordered from Peachbox, you like them, you don't like them, leave us a comment below. I want this to be like an open forum so we can discuss things. Or if you're planning on shopping on Black Friday, let me know what you're planning on getting. I'm so excited for you guys. So anyway, I will leave everything down in the description box down below. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, if you want me to pursue other companies to maybe do videos with or collaborate with. If there's a company that maybe you want me to reach out to. They don't always respond to me, so I can't guarantee that, which is fine. But let me know if you guys like these kind of videos by giving me a thumbs up so then I kind of got an idea. And then, of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Happy shopping! Bye!